Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will be showing you the different dashboard reports in your CRM. Let's get started. Mautic's dashboard is highly customizable, allowing users to track a myriad of admissions activities. When you first create a Mautic account, your dashboard will automatically include 11 reports, which you can change, edit, or remove as you wish. The first report, Contacts Created, shows how many contacts were created over a specific time period, which is indicated here and can be changed to your liking. The Contact Map report, over here, shows where in the world your contacts are primarily located. The Top List report ranks your list by the number of contacts they include. The Visits report here tracks how many website visitors you have over a given period of time. Same with the Emails Sent versus Open report. You can see how many sent emails you have over the certain time frame. Then these 4 pie charts here track a myriad of different statistics. You can contrast your unique versus returning visitors, ignored versus read versus failed emails, identified versus anonymous leads, as well as the different dwell times on your school's website. The Recent Activity report tracks the recent activity that's been undertaken in your CRM, and the Upcoming Emails report lists the emails you have set to send. And that's it! Now you know the different dashboard reports in your CRM. For more videos, you can check out the Mautic CRM section of our website at higher-education-marketing.com.